Welcome to Math Nexus, where number speak and knowledge grows. Math is the queen of the sciences and number theory the queen of math, said D. Carl Friedrich Gauss. Today, our topic is financial arithmetics, in which profit, loss, cost price, and sale price. First of all, we define profit. What is profit? If the sale price is greater than the cost price, this is called gain or profit. Therefore, profit is equal to sale price. Sale price is denoted by SP and minus cost price, where cost price is denoted by CP. Loss: if the cost price is greater than the sale price, this is called loss. Therefore, loss is equal to cost price CP minus sale price SP. What is cost price? The price at which someone purchases a particular article is called a cost price or purchase price, symbolically denoted as CP. Cost price is denoted by CP. Sale price: the price at which a particular item is sold to the customer is called sale price, symbolically denoted as SP. What is profit percent? The increased percent is called profit percent. Profit percent is equal to profit by cost into 100%, or SP minus CP. SP means sale price minus cost price upon cost price into 100. Loss percent: the decreased percent is called loss percent. Loss percent is equal to loss upon cost price into 100%. Cost price CP minus sale price SP upon CP, cost price into 100 into percent. Look at the question. Ali bought 2 tickets for cricket match amounting rupees 500 each. He sold 1 ticket for rupees 600 and other for rupees 450. Find the profit and loss and net profit. Ali bought one ticket rupees 500, sold on rupees 600. Profit is equal to sale price minus cost price. Sale price is equal to 600 minus 500. Profit is equal to rupees 100. In second tickets, cost price is equal to 500 and sale price is equal to 450. Here in second ticket, cost price is equal to 500 and sale price is equal to 450. Loss is equal to cost price minus sale price. Cost price is equal to 500 minus 450 is equal to 50. Net profit is equal to 100 minus 50 is equal to 50. This is the answer of this question. Look at the question. A dealer buys a clock for rupees 250 and sells it for rupees 300. Let us find his profit percent. Cost price $250 and sale price is equal to 300. Sale price is greater than cost price. This is profit. Profit is equal to sale price minus cost price. Sale price rupees 300 minus 250 is equal to 50. Profit is rupees 50. Now profit percent. Profit percent is equal to profit upon cost price into 100%. Profit rupees 50 upon cost price 250 into 100 50 upon 250 into 100 0 5 ones 5 5s are 5 ones are 5 twos are. It means that the profit percent is equal to 20%. This is the answer of this question. Look at the question. Find the profit or loss percentage in the following cases. First, cost price is equal to 50 and sale price is equal to 70. Second, cost price is equal to 1540 and sale price is equal to 1386. In third, cost price is equal to 125 and sale price is 20. In fourth, the cost price is equal to 12.5 and sale price is equal to 2.5. Now look at the first. Cost price, profit is equal to sale price minus cost price. sale price is equal to 70 minus cost price is equal to 50, equal to rupees 20. Profit is 20. Now profit percent is equal to profit upon cost price into 100 here profit is equal to rupees 20 and cost price is equal to 50 into 100%. Here 20 upon 50 into 100, 0 zeros are 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. 2 into 20 is equal to 40. %. This is the answer of this question. Now look at the section 2. Cost price is equal to 1540 and sale price is equal to 1386. When cost price is greater than sale price, this is called loss. Loss is equal to cost price minus sale price. Cost price is equal to 1540 minus 1386. Now 1540 minus 1386. 10 minus 6 4, 13 minus 8 5, 4 minus 3 1. It means that loss is equal to 154. Now loss percentage is equal to loss upon cost price into 100%. Loss is equal to 154 upon cost price is equal to 1540 into 100. Now 154 upon 1540 into 100, 0 0 1, 10%. Loss percentage, loss is equal to 10%. This is the answer of this question. Thank you for watching this video. Stay curious with Math Nexus.